You're a big city. What inspired you to make this tonight? My mom on my butt. Did you still mom get the trophy if you win? No. Is there any reason behind the scheme? No, not really. Just figured I'd do it. Following. Hey, you gotta let the kids love it. Let's get it for number 4. That's Rocky Fire. Kind of DJ looking going on. Who do we have here in the 09 tonight? Demolition. Justin, what do we got going on here in this rendezvous? Puppy dog. Did you lose a puppy recently? No. Alright. So let's hear Justin Demolition in the 09. Here's a couple thumbs up. Who we got here with Chris over here? What is this? Who we got here with Little Bag? Jason, did I get inspiration behind doing things down? No, just a big truck. Do you have any troopers back there in the pits? Nope. I got both my kids dressed up like food doctors. Yeah, so these are only one of the last power rails. Let's hear it for Houston number 35. Is it three troopers? Alright, Mr. Stovak. Who do we have here in the 99? Nick Stovak. Nick, what is this thing? It's supposed to be Franklin. I'm starting to see it. It looks like he's lost a bunch of games to pick that test. Yeah, it's supposed to be Franklin, so I'm good at that kind of thing. Anybody you want to thank for helping you decorate it? My girlfriend wants to I tell you what, the best comes out of Halloween. Let's hear it for Stovak in the 99. You got fascinated. We're going to hear the 80 next. Chase, Chase, what are you going to go around with this game machine? Alright, so game 4. Now, if anyone knows about this truck or treat, he did have a cool game 4 out and everything is actually pretty cool. So, let's go to the 18 next. From no one else to clean his neck. Awesome. Dude, very good. Alright. So let's hear it one more time for the number 4, Kaya. And one more time for the 99. Wrong 90 is in the rest of that. Jeez, you don't even know these numbers? Alright, hold on, you're a winner. Let's just start right. 99. Take it home with your trophy for the Halloween special. Thank you all for participating tonight.